In this video, we will be demonstrating how to replace water heater elements. Turn off breaker. Turn off water shutoff. Drain water heater by attaching hose to spigot on the bottom of water heater. Remove access panel. Remove wiring from element to be changed. Remove element by turning in counterclockwise direction. Install new element by turning in clockwise direction. Reinstall wiring to new element. Turn on water shutoff. Ensure there are no leaks. Reinstall access panel. Turn breaker on. Thanks for watching.